In this video, we'll discuss the top 18 foods that can help women burn fat. Losing weight can be challenging, and people often say that you need to make a lifestyle change to keep the weight off. If you're looking for foods that can help you burn fat, you've come to the right place. Eating healthily and burning more calories than you consume can help you lose weight, increase your energy levels, reduce health problems, and improve your mental health. So if you're ready to rev up your weight loss journey, keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications to stay up to date with all the latest weight loss tips and tricks. Number 18 on our list is citrus fruits, which can help prevent obesity-related heart disease, diabetes, and liver disease. Adding citrus fruits to your water is an easy way to increase your intake. Number 17 is walnuts, which contain an ingredient that can help you feel fuller for longer and eat less. Number 16 is popcorn, which contains large amounts of polyphenols linked to many health benefits such as improved digestion and better blood circulation. However, make sure you don't add salt, butter, or oil when preparing it. Number 15 is berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, which can help people lose weight in the long term. Berries have high amounts of flavonoids, which have been linked to weight loss. Number 14 is whole grains, such as oatmeal, which can reduce belly fat due to its high fiber content that keeps you full for longer. Number 13 is avocados, which are rich in nutrients that help with higher fiber intakes, healthy fats, vitamins E and C, folate, magnesium, copper, and potassium. Number 12 is cayenne pepper, which can speed up abdominal fat loss by boosting the body's ability to convert food into energy. Add some cayenne pepper to spice up some meat or vegetarian dishes. Number 11 is salmon, which helps transform fatty white fat cells into fat-burning beige cells. It contains the right types of fats, such as omega-3s, which help your body burn more fat. If you're curious about the top 10 fat-burning foods for women, keep reading. Number 10 on the list is cinnamon. Cinnamon can activate thermogenesis, which is a metabolic process that helps to burn calories and produce heat. Adding cinnamon to your oatmeal in the morning can help to burn fat cells. Number 9 on the list is apples and pears. These fruits have been linked to weight loss. Women who ate apples, pears, or oatmeal cookies 3 times a day lost more weight and had a greater reduction in their waistline compared to those who didn't eat these foods. Number 8 on the list is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and has less sugar than regular yogurt. It's also rich in calcium, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones. Eating Greek yogurt can help you feel full for longer, and therefore, it can aid in weight loss. Number 7 is chia seeds. Chia seeds are high in fiber and protein, which can help to reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness. They can be added to smoothies or sprinkled on top of yogurt or oatmeal. Number 6 on the list is green tea. Green tea contains caffeine and catechins, which can help to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Drinking green tea regularly can also help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 5 is almonds. Almonds are a great source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They can help to reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness. Number 4 on the list is grapefruit. Grapefruit is high in fiber and can help to reduce appetite. It's also a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Number 3 is lentils. Lentils are a type of legume that are rich in protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. They can help you feel full and satisfied, and studies have shown that they may reduce appetite and promote weight loss. Lentils are also versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Number 2 on the list is spinach. Spinach is high in fiber and low in calories. It's also a great source of vitamins and minerals, including iron and calcium. And finally, number 1 on the list of top fat-burning foods for women is broccoli. Broccoli is high in fiber and low in calories. It's also a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium. Additionally, broccoli contains compounds that can help to reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Remember, no single food can magically burn fat, but incorporating these foods into a healthy, balanced diet can help to support weight loss and overall health. Now that you know the top 18 fat-burning foods for women, let's talk about the foods you should avoid if you're trying to lose weight. These foods are high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sugar, and can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Sugar-sweetened beverages. These drinks are high in sugar and calories and can lead to weight gain. Fast food is high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium, and can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Processed snacks are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sugar, and can sabotage your weight loss efforts. White bread and pasta are high in refined carbs and can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Fried foods such as French fries, fried chicken, and fried fish are high in calories, unhealthy fats, and salt. They can increase your risk of heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. If you can't resist the temptation of fried foods, try to limit your intake and opt for healthier cooking methods, such as baking, grilling, or steaming. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to unhealthy foods. It's okay to indulge in your favorite treats once in a while, but try to make healthier choices most of the time. A balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. So now that you know what you should and shouldn't eat when you are dieting, what are some of your favorite foods to eat when you're dieting? Let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.